In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted history in Google Chrome. To get started, open your browser and make sure you're signed into the same Google account that was being used in Chrome when your browsing activity was saved. This is important because the method we're using depends on your Google activity being connected to that account. If you're not signed in, your history may not appear. Once your browser is open, go to the Google My Activity page by typing in My Activity and opening the correct Google result. This page is where Google stores activity connected to your account, including browsing activity in many cases. After you open it, give the page a moment to load fully so you can clearly see the available records. When you're on the My Activity page, you should be able to view your saved history here. This is the place to check if you're trying to find browsing activity that you removed from Chrome, but that may still exist in your Google account activity. Scroll carefully and look through the entries until you find the websites or actions you want to review. If needed, take your time here because the list can include a lot of information. One very important thing to understand is what happens if you delete an item from this page. If you click the X next to an activity entry, that item will be removed. However, there is a small window where you can recover it by clicking Cancel immediately after deleting it. So if you remove something by accident, act right away and select Cancel before doing anything else. That part is extremely important because once the deletion is completed and you don't cancel it in time, it usually cannot be recovered anymore through this method. So be very careful before clicking the X and double check that you really want to remove something. If you're just reviewing your history, it's best not to click anything unless you're sure. As a quick tip, if you're searching for a specific page, stay focused on the entries shown in My Activity and review them slowly so you don't accidentally delete anything. This method is really about checking your saved Google activity and undoing a deletion immediately if it just happened. And that's it. That's how you can recover deleted history in Google Chrome using Google My Activity, as long as the activity is still available and you cancel any accidental deletion right away.